What's up, Jay Violet?
When Cora Lorenzen was 9 years old, she had her first UFO sighting in a playground.
I wonder if I can move this over.
She stated that the craft reminded her of a parachute without strings.
After her experiences, what she wanted to do was kind of nail this down on a scientific basis, not just woo-woo stuff.
Arf!
Damn, that shit was loud. Hold
What was it loud on?
on. I'll explain myself in a minute. I got to get everything set here. I was like commenting on YouTube. I'm like, yo. Damn, that shit was loud.
Yeah, you came in on my phone loud as shit too. Damn, I was trying to scalp this bitch for more, but I only was able to squeeze out. Where'd my Discord go? There it is.
Yo, Squid. Did you turn sound down when I said damn loud? Because that was on me. Now I can't hear you.
Oh, I haven't said anything yet. Can you hear me now?
Oh, yeah, that was loud. Okay, cool.
Am I too
I
loud?
thought I heard some voices in the background. It's probably J-Vi partying back there.
You want me? Am I too loud? I can turn it down.
No.
Because I'm trying to stream YouTube through Discord, and I'm giving it a shot. But
Oh, I know what's going on. I got an echo. Hold on. I got to close out YouTube.
or turn the volume down on YouTube.
I just shut it off.
Oh.
And yell at me if I don't turn my mic. Where'd it go? I got a machine running. I'm just kind of doing an all-night run on this thing.
Dude, I grabbed that Bitcoin right at that point right there.
Oh, God damn it. I was going to add something. It doesn't matter. Not that critical. I'm down a little bit. I'm messing with APR.
Oh.
That's been my multi-day mess with. Doing all right on it, though.
I'm just hoping this thing keeps going. Because there is a lot, like, I've got the heat map on, and at 90K, it's like bright red. But then it's also a little bit bright red at 87,000. But we will see.
That's your entry right there at 87,834, right?
Yeah, I was trying to let it break the 84.34, and it did. So I took it right there, and then it just started pumping. I'm like, that's what I'm talking about. But now it's freaking coming back down. This is on my prop firm chart because I'm doing my prop firm. So that's what I'm using. Their charts are okay, but they don't have a lot of. They don't have like. You set a stop loss, you can move it up and down like you can do on the beef. Like, you know, I can move this thing up and down. Oh, let me see if it moves. Like this right here.
You know what? TradeFi was saying that he could move it. I can't move it on my phone, so I don't know if it's just.
On my computer I can, but not on my phone I can't. Yeah.
Okay.
But on this bit funded, they don't have it. You have to literally physically put it in, and that's it. You can't move it up, you know. Because what I like to do is I like to move this my take profit or my stop loss or whatever up as the price goes up. You can't do that. I just scalped 2 things tonight. This is my last one. So I scalped one. I think. Let me see. I got $38, but I lost 29 earlier. So didn't make much off of that trade. But pretty good right now. I didn't see JR didn't come on tonight, did he?
Nah, I haven't seen him. I was looking around for him earlier,
Yeah.
but I didn't see him active anywhere. So,
what you trading now?
kind of. I was. Let's see what am I at? Just a little underwater on the APR right now because I chased it a little bit. I was setting this machine up earlier. It came down to one of my target levels and bounced off. So I did a couple little FOMO entries. It's, I don't know, not too crazy. But if it wants to fold over, I'll have to take a hit because it'll come all the way down to this trend line that I have extending way back across it that it's interacted with quite well actually. It dips below. You gotta be careful with it. I'll tell you what was getting on my nerves yesterday was Zora, man. That thing just collapsed.
Yeah, dude, I knew it was on the live last night. I kept telling people when this thing's gonna hit 88,000 something, then it's gonna crash down to like 87.5 or something. So I set my Bitcoin to take a short at that level and take a profit level. And I woke up and early this morning, I saw it run up, and I'm like, son of a bitch, and it hit my target. And then all of a sudden, I went back to work, came back, and I'm like, what happened to my shit? And it freaking took it. I was like, yeah. It was only $232 though, but still, that was a good pick.
No, that's $200. Shit, man.
Yeah, I was like, man, that worked out perfect. I was not expecting that drop this morning.
Yeah, I forget all what happened this morning. I had a couple of hours to really just do a couple things, and then I broke out because I had to set up this machine and everything and get it up and running for the night. So there's, I don't know, probably like 4 hours of time where I couldn't really pay much attention, which is kind of how I got myself in a little bit of a bind right now.
Yeah, that's why I set my take profit, stop loss, and everything. And so I know I get busy at work, I could disappear, and then bam, it freaking worked out perfect. So tonight on this heat map, it's 90,000 and 87,000, but the 90,000 is lit up like bright red. So I'm thinking they're going to push this thing up to that either tonight or tomorrow. Because it's red at 87, but not as bright red as at the 90. And I don't understand why they haven't taken that yet. I don't know how much money that is, but I'm going to do another short. That bitch gets close to 90,000. I'm shorting again.
Yeah, I'm seeing, are you looking at the 3-day on CoinEgg, or are you on that market monthly terminal?
I'm on this. I don't know what this is called.
Oh, yeah. That made a big difference from the 1 day.
Yeah, I think I'm on the 15-minute.
Yeah, there's more to grab on its way up there.
Yeah, there's a lot. But it changes every freaking 20-some minutes. So I've just been scalping these little ass shit coins. So far $38. It's up 534. I'm gonna try to make like $20 scalps off of these things using $20. I'm trying to double my money. So far I've been doing pretty good. And I picked like these runners right here, these top fives. I clicked the 24-hour change, and these top five, that's where all the volume's at, dude. I'm telling you, you can just sit there and scalp them until, and then once you see all three start to drop, that means it's over with, you know. Then you can start shorting the shit out of them. Well, that's what I'm waiting for. And usually you can long these until about 10 o'clock my time, and then they start dumping. If I can time these right. This looks like it's a good one, but it's fucking slow. Yeah, I'm trying to pass this prop firm, which I'm freaking close, dude, on this one over here. Is it this one? This one here, I'm kicking ass on. I got $200 more, and I'll pass this first one, and then I could make a $500 profit to pass the second one. Then I can go live, and that'll free up about 10 grand. Then I can go really nuts.
Sweet, man. Good job.
Yeah, and then the other two, I'm pretty close to the two more. So, and this is all trading Bitcoin. Looking stupid. Yeah, see, this one's 601. This one's 114, 79, 240, and 368. And I did the 600 one was this morning on that pump. And then I made 200, the 240 on the dump. So hopefully I can do that again.
Oh yeah.
Turn into Alex O and only trade for 30 seconds. Like, all right, guys, see you later. I made my 2 grand. See ya.
That's the goal, huh?
You think about it. You have 20
All set. Are you still doing grid bots right now?
Not yet with this. I should have been, because the way Bitcoin's running.
I was asking Jerry Pie. I haven't seen her in the Discord in a minute.
Yeah, she's on mute, but I think she might. I don't see her texting.
Oh, up. It looks like somebody's typing there.
Yep, she is. Let's see it now. Yeah, I'm telling you, the bots would have been the shit for Bitcoin. I didn't even think about it. Thanks for reminding me. You would put a couple grand in that bot. You would have made a killing. Yeah, she's living the high life.
Yeah, that looks real nice. Summertime down there.
Yeah, gold was kicking ass, but didn't it dump? I haven't looked at it. I know I made some money on a little bit on gold and silver, but I thought it dumped.
Did you get the ETF, or were you on like BTCC or something? Or I saw, geez, Mexi had some stuff.
Yeah, I was on BTC.
It looks like there's some RWAs around.
Yeah.
And is that, am I calling it an RWA if it's its own coin? I don't know.
Asset? That's what RWA means, don't it?
Well, real world asset, but it's. I mean, I don't know. I guess I kind of thought like to use it, as a real world asset, like you'd have to go into like on the Ondo ecosystem or any of these RWA ecosystems to utilize it, versus actually having a coin representing it on the exchange, like Mexi. Do you understand where I was going with that?
Yeah. Hold on, I'm way over here real quick. I'll see what my dog was barking at, but yeah, I know what you're getting at, but yeah, I don't know, dude. That stuff so freaking confusing to me.
It's all confusing until you do it once, and then it all makes sense.
Yeah, hopefully, we get this shit going, man. We can make some money. It's just the time to do this.
Yeah, I I got a ton of shitty weather incoming for the next week, so I'm gonna have some extra time to just sit down. I want to get through some of the videos over in Alex's Discord. He's got just a whole library of stuff. I watched a couple of them, and they're just bangers.
Who can't you hear, Jay Violet? Because I don't know if I can turn this up any louder. Hold on, let me try. See if it gets too loud. I'm up at like 75%.
I'm assuming she's talking about when you walked away when I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, I was.
Talking to the dog.
Yeah, I went over to the window.
Yeah.
Anytime he barks, I like to look. That dude's always, someone's always freaking showing up. Especially now. Damn, it's fucking Bitcoin. I should have took the $38 and ran home. Oh well. We'll let this one go. I'm seeing if I can find another one to play with. That one did the same thing as Bitcoin. Dude, I'm literally deep throating my microphone. Yeah, you're probably on your phone too, so they don't, like my phone, I can hardly hear on YouTube. It sucks.
I'm on my earbud, so.
Damn, this thing is not fucking around.
Like I have so many things running around me right now, I have to be on an earbud.
King. Let's see what happens here. Shit, I figured not a lot of people will be on tonight because everybody's you know, the new year. Oh shit.
Dave I is washing away the hangover as we speak.
Overtaker, there he is. What's up, Overtaker? I was looking at the Discord chat instead of the actual YouTube chat. Oops. Let's try that again. I had it covered up. Damn, I might get smoked on this one. I might have to close this one out. 16,306 sounds so good. It's only $20. It does go. It can go the whole way down. Yeah, fuck that. Hopefully it bounces off of that.
Pull Knight up.
Dude, I made a killing on Knight though. Past couple weeks. Oh, it's getting dumped. It's shitty. But you could probably scalp it for a short. We need that again right here for me to short again. So if it fucking touches this green.
Yeah, that's how I'm looking at the pinch here. I mean, if it stays below there. Oh no, there's not a lot of action. It pinched before and just continued.
Trade fly! No. Sucks balls.
Yo, who is live in my Discord?
Yeah, that's
Hey, we're on
What are you doing?
Discord and
It's New Year's Eve, man.
yeah, screw it.
it's an addiction, and we're old and have no plans, and
Yeah.
I'm actually just working.
It's an addiction. Okay, I will buy that.
Everybody's working on my side, so they don't get home till about 10. So I got a couple hours to dick around.
Dude, they had me work days today, which is strange. I'm on days for the first 3 days. Like, I'm like, what is going on? Well, in that case, I feel like we need to have a drink.
Fuck yeah.
Oh,
That's what we're doing tonight.
Hold on now.
I'll puff while you guys drink. I don't have any alcohol with me.
Sounds lame.
Yeah.
Well, I'm working all night. Nobody's around. I don't drink really, and except socially. But I always burn, so that's fine. That's fair.
You and burning. Like JR. Where is that fool at?
Well,
He said he was gonna be on.
I'm gonna make a drink. Get my way, boy. Get out of here.
Hey, trade fly.
We got Jay Vi's nursing her hangover, taking a swim right now.
Yeah, she's like 18 freaking hours ahead, huh?
Yeah. Don't drown in the pool.
Oh, jeez. Everybody's yelling at the dog now.
And I was just yelling at mine earlier. Like, shut the freak
Here,
up.
let me mute this.
Yeah, you see, this night's gonna take off now, man. I should
Well,
have
no,
jumped
just-
in right when I said it.
Doing your Bollinger Band thing.
Yeah, I just did 2 scalps for
Yeah, the
$38
pinch.
and $62. And then he.
Bro, we need to do we gotta do a hat giveaway.
Yeah, I've got 4 here, dude.
Oh, Jesus, what are you doing, man?
I bought 3 or 4 off you. It's still sitting there. I've been trying to give away, but it's like.
Come upstairs. Hold on, I gotta go beat my dog. I'll be back.
I don't know. I wish the this RSI would hang out down here a little bit more, so these bands curve, and I might jump in that sucker. But it's kind of spooky right now.
I just put $10 in. If it drops, I can add.
Oh shit! I'm short now.
Like now.
$20 short and going in. You'd be like, I'm down 20. I'm up 20. We'll help each other out. Yeah, see, if you can hit the bottom RSI, sell at the top, you could probably make off of $20, 10, $12, man. That's like, we'll see. I'm gonna try it. I'll try it with you, but I should have shorted it. It's going down now. Let me see what the 5 minutes.
Yeah, there isn't a whole lot there right now.
See, I don't look at the 3 minute. Fucking sucks balls. If these come together and then angle up, then we're in the money. And even the 5 minutes shit. Look at that. That's no go. That's a stay out right now, buddy. Now, if you're scalping on the 1 minute, you might be able to squeeze some money out of it. But I would probably short this for a while. That's my guess. Here, I'll help you out. I'll short it and then watch it fucking take off. That's how it always is. Oh, you bitch. I accidentally hit the button. What? Didn't take it. Piece of shit. Go, go. Alright, I shorted it for you. Who's this? Overtaker? What's up? That's the new guy. Came in on the live the other night. He joined the Discord, so he's trying to flip some money.
Is that from one of your lives?
Yeah, the one from yesterday.
Oh yeah.
And then there was 2 other ones that came in. I forget their names.
Bro, I'm having like a hard time getting people to just sign up for a 2-bit account. Like, I figured like, hey, that's a really low barrier of entry, but I don't know what the deal is.
Nobody's excited yet. It's going to be hard to get people right now, I think.
But it's like
Look what's in front of us.
nobody's 3 signals, dude. I mean, like HRJ and FJ are just throwing out signals left and right. Like, I don't know if people don't realize what they're missing. Might have to start like flooding the general chat with like, look at all these like setups, like these 100 and 400% gainers. Like, I'm not even asking for money, you know? Like,
Yeah, I took a couple of FJs. I think I did 3 or 4, and I think 3 of them hit and the 1 didn't. But still, that's still good odds.
yeah, they're not all going to be winners, but so I think the one thing I got to get going here soon is I got to get the bot. Basically, what I'm going to do is once people are signed up and they sign up for, or need to sign up for a role, but they're like, I want this role. What the role's going to do is we'll be able to link the account with that role. So through an API key, and it'll basically, if you want to follow FJ's trades or if you want to follow HRJ's trades, it will literally trade it for you. So, you know, I'll create a role like, you know, FJ's trades or something like that. And literally once they link the account, like it's all going to be automated. You just let it go.
You can make that happen. That'd be pretty damn cool.
Yeah, it'd be real cool, right?
Yeah, hell yeah, it would.
It's already in there. Like if you look close, you'll see something in there called Bandit Bot. We're already doing it. I haven't released it to everyone yet, but we've already been testing it.
I'll say, are you back testing it to see if it works?
Core testing, yeah. So so basically part of it too, like, is me checking their stuff, like making sure that they're profitable. So, you know, because I mean, having people just sling singles out there for, you know, shits and giggles ain't good for no one. But if it's profitable, you know, which, you know, I'm sure they are, but it was part of me kind of fact checking them too. But
yeah, that would be awesome. You'd be the only one doing it.
I know. I know. I've been trying. I've been talking to people like, yo, I got some stuff that's working right now that you guys you're sleeping on it.
Better keep it hush hush so somebody don't ninja their idea.
I mean, they can try if they want. I had a dev though. Like, you're gonna have to pay somebody if you want to get it done. So.
Harp, you owe me 10% of your wins. I helped you out, motherfucker.
You can't send him the hat. He's already got one.
What's wrong, buddy? What's going on?
Look at your night. I tried to short Harp's call or long, and he's getting me now.
Uh-oh.
Damn it.
Well, we'll see.
I gotta pick the SPX one. Check that real quick.
Which one is it?
When Harp was on with me this week, I took a long on SPX.
Oh yeah, I haven't even looked at that. Shit's kind of upsetting to me, but
it wasn't. It was nothing more than like it was like so bottomed out. I was like, I mean, there's not much more of an upside potential.
My internet froze. I missed your reply after I asked you if you were still in it.
Yeah, I'm still holding it. Yeah, I started a bot. I'm running a bot, and I got the SPX one open.
I think this will, once everything gets back to normal, this will recover again. I have a big feeling on it.
I mean, I'm not sweating it. I'm upside down in some spot positions, but I fully went into it saying I was going to hold. So I haven't been, I'm gonna keep bashful about saying that.
I thought you put leverage on it, didn't you? You just did 2x, didn't you?
No, oh yeah, for SPX, I'm talking about my spot positions on ADA and AVAX.
Right, gotcha. Now that SPX, it came down. I think I had an order. It was at was it 46.95? It came down to 707, I believe, and then took off. And I was watching it, considering your entry, and I kind of figured you would have jumped out when it pulled back.
It was some profit when I checked.
Then it came down. It actually hit my entry today, so I'm actually in it. But on this pullback right now, I'm kind of like, you know, if it comes down more, I can still add to it.
I'm trying to log in right now.
Look for another one.
Oh, it's down now, but it's only 1.92%.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Nah.
Fuck, I missed this one too. Damn it, I was just getting ready to jump in.
But all right, I gotta jump off here. I just want to say what's up to y'all. I saw somebody was live in the Discord, so I figured it was the obligatory.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year's. I gotta get ready. We're gonna go have some dinner. So
Nice.
yeah. So y'all take it easy. Have a good one.
Later on, bro.
All right, take care.
All right, buddy.
Later.
Later, buddy. Man, I missed this one part. I was just looking at it when it was over here. Damn it. I was gonna get in right this area and look at that motherfucker.
What is that? Lab. It looks familiar.
Yeah, when I first pulled it up, it was right here. I was thinking about getting in, and then you told me about night, so I jumped to night. Now look at how much it's done already. Freaking missed it. See, I like this right here, dude. If this thing could come down to this RSI, I'll jump in, try to squeeze out a good $10 on it.
Mm-hmm.
But I hate these ones, dude. They'll be like this, and all of a sudden, big, huge green candle, and then I FOMO in and get wrecked.
I'm getting better at that dumb shit.
Yeah, I've stopped.
Just wait. The last couple of weeks, been getting better. I've been calming my mind a little bit with those friggin' jumps. Because yeah, I get caught, you know.
Yeah. Aqua, you need 1,000 on top of what you already have? I don't know if he's in here to listen. What is this? I'll have to look at this. I heard him talking about this.
The world mobile token comeback is going to be epic. Epic.
I want to take a look at that shit.
There he is. What up, Ace? Happy New Year, bro.
Oh, this is like a sell your phone shit. Ah, damn, that'd be. Yeah, I might have to take a look at that. My daughters need some phones. Might get hooked up with those. Oh shit. I'm just gonna put 20 bucks in this little bitch. Or 30. Let's do isolated 20x. Do a quick little buy. Oh, son of a bitch. All right, I'm at my limit tonight. Got 4 trades going plus my little queer Bitcoin. I'm hoping Bitcoin does 89 something. 89 tonight. Oh yeah, let me check that out. Yeah, I'll take a look at that. Check it out. I'll say some stuff on my live about it. See if we can get you 1,000 more people. I mean, it looks pretty cool. I'm looking at it over here. Ooh, I'm up. Oh, damn, down. What's Knight doing? Still hanging out? That's not too bad.
It's just toying with us.
That's what kills me. It's above my. Oh no, I'm being retarded. I thought it went long. I'm being stupid.
You know what's up, Ace? Give your knight a little kick in the ass right now. I'm long. Squid short.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to set up something here to talk about this on my lives.
Squid.
Oh man, this sucks. I think you're gonna get me on this. I might have to close out Knight, man. 8866 is my liquidation, which I'm not making that much, even if I do my take profits.
We took small positions.
Yeah, I'm only getting, like, if it goes down that far, I'll make $3. Woo! I'm gonna close this bitch out because I ain't gonna make dick. Should have put more money. It's the only thing about these low prices, like 0.08 cents and shit like that. No matter your leverage got to be stupid high just to make any money. That's why I go for the bigger ones. You know. But you're gonna be doing good here in a minute.
Yeah, so
yeah, I think it'll be all right.
It's, you know, there's not much volatility on New Year's Eve.
Yeah. The next thing you know, we explode. That's how it always is, man. This fucking computer's acting retarded. Yeah, it looks like for your 1 minute, let's say 3 minutes. If these pinch together and head on up, man, you're gonna be looking juicy. And if this passes this moving average, you're gonna be in the home run. Big crack corn doing. Oh, big corn going up.
Look, I'm under right now.
You're under? Shit, I thought you got down.
Yeah, I'm at my entry's at 8662.
Oh, I thought you got it lower.
So, no, I didn't, because I started talking about it, and then I'm just like, screw it. I just kind of threw $10 at it, you know?
Yeah.
It wasn't really, I don't know, kind of playing everything with it. Look at that. It's kind of, ouch. I think it's coming back down. You didn't close it, did you?
Yeah.
Ah.
I was only making like 20 cents a tick, dude. It's like not even. It would have to go way down here just to make $3. I'm like, I got all that. So I keep forgetting. Anytime you deal with these prices at 0.08, your leverage has got to be insane to make money. That's why, with you don't have a lot of money, like $20, you got to start playing with stuff that's like $5 plus just to make money. You know, or you're not gonna make shit. You're gonna make those little prices. Like this one, look at this. This one's at 56 cents.
But you know, if I've been hesitant, the APR I've been doing 15x on hasn't been too bad, but like night, yeah, I've been doing like anywhere from 5 or 8x on it.
Yeah, but like if I got $68 left, I could put $68 on this with a 20x. Then you start making some decent money. But I'm hoping this. I'm gonna try to squeeze this one out around here. That'd be $17. I try to make $20, but the resistance right here is at this line, so that'll be a $20 scalp if I hit it. It might hit it right now in a few minutes. This QU or the Q is, I think it's gonna hit it. So it's $20. Just scalping right now. Overtaker.
Tell you what, QNC's on a little stiletto action right now. Damn, I was thinking about throwing something out a minute ago.
Something. All of a sudden, all my shit's in the green for some reason. Something's running. So Bitcoin must be running too. Yep. Bitcoin's run or nice little pump. That's probably why all this shit's running. Let me see what lab's at. See how far I got to go to make some money on lab. 24. We'll bring it down. Try to make $20 a trade. 21. Right about here. 19. Let's go one more penny. That'll work. Yeah, Money Talks. Let me see if I can find you something. Or we could go one-on-one one day if you want, and I could show you what I do. But yeah, I'll find you a video. But the way I trade versus the video, they do way differently. But I could show you what I've got. Like we get the Discord live, and then you can see my screen, and then I can show you. But yeah, I will find you something. Money Talks is in the YouTube. If you think I'm just talking to somebody. Because this is live right now on YouTube. This is what I hate. See how this thing freaking, the little ass wick almost touches it and then doesn't? That shit drives me nuts. Yeah, Money Talks anytime, man. We need to get you some money rolling too. Why'd he get timed out?
What happened? Something on YouTube?
No, I said we're live on YouTube. So if you hear me talking to somebody, it's because somebody's in the.
No. You said why'd they get timed out or something just now?
Yeah, J Violet said that. It said Harp got timed out.
Oh, I saw something. It said don't use foul language, and I laughed at it. And then I saw you guys were on Discord, and came right to here and closed it out because I was getting that echo.
You can't swear in here?
On the YouTube, I don't know. I forget what I wrote. I think I said shit.
Oh yeah. Let me change that. I meant to do that last night. So I'm new to this. I got an AI running this shit, and I should have turned off the swearing part. Word protection off. All right, now you can go ahead and cuss all you want. That was my bad.
Oh man, I said ass. Really? That's it?
Hey, type ass in
Yeah,
again.
that's weak.
I turned it off.
What are you saying? Try it again?
Yeah, I want to see if it works. All right, Money Talks. Yeah, man, we'll see you. Happy New Year to you, bud. I'll get with you and teach you how to do some scalping, and I'll send some videos towards you. Look for it in my Discord, and you can just grab the links from there. Ha! Hey, J Violet, say ass in the chat. Yes, sir, bud. Take care, man. Yes, Happy New Year to you. Look how close it is to closing this one out. All right, it worked. I'm getting some weather warnings. We've been getting snow like crazy here.
Big Knight's just gonna keep dying here.
Damn, I should have checked my
I'm not gonna close it, but you know, a re-entry for you for a long might come up. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
I don't like this little, all these dojis right in a row. Just
yeah,
so
that's
much
not good.
there.
Bunch of dojis in a row suck.
Yeah.
This one's so close, closing out at $17. I'm like 30 cents or 80 cents away.
Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
Dude, it's been flirting the whole time, dude. Watch, it'll just barely touch it and go beep. Like down to negative 15. See? Told you. That is a doji downward doji. I can probably cash out on. Let me check lab. How close I am with lab. Yeah, it's getting close too. Let's look at that shit, man. One little freaking doji screws me all up. I'll take my $10 there. I'm gonna hold on to lab.
Yeah, that was some shit, man.
I should take my $10 here. But this one's fucking screaming to go up. Look at that. That's freaking beautiful. I'm gonna hold this one. I have a feeling this is gonna keep going. Let me see what your Knight's doing. I might jump in for a nice little long scalp. Come here, Knight. Oh, God damn.
Yeah, it's come down hard. I'm like,
damn, I could have
down like 10%
$2
already. I'm like, okay.
Oh, yeah, this thing's going to keep going, man. This thing's bad. If it breaks this, it already did. I want to short it with $50, but I'm scared to now.
Yeah, that don't look good at all. You're like, oh, it broke that. And I was like, broke what? Okay. A lot of room below.
Hey, J Violet, did you turn that off? Oh, she left me. No.
Ah, she left. Okay.
Oh, look at this one. I'm about to hit my $20. I'm gonna take this shit off. And then I'm gonna, this is what I like to do. When I'm up like this, I like to take my stop loss and just raise it up to secure profits. And just keep doing that until it takes me out. I'm gonna tell you what, the on the 15-minute on the heat map, it do the whole from 90 from 80 88 from where it's at now, the whole way up to 90,000 is like bright red on this chart. Ain't that's nuts.
Yeah, looks my APR is coming back. Woo, just flip green. All right.
Hell yeah. Looks like we're the only two that's don't have any friends or anybody to hang out with us.
I know, we're lame.
Hey, you know what? We're making money and they're not, so I don't
Yeah.
care.
Good.
So this phone that Aqua was talking about, do you buy the phone or is it just a service?
I think it is a phone.
It's a service. You have to have an unlocked phone to do the service. It says unlock phones. So what you do is buy an unlocked phone, use his service. Oh, fucking whore. Took me out for $10. Bitch.
I almost was gonna say if you follow it up there, it's gonna knock you out. These things, there's nobody trading. They're down so far, it's like you jump out like a sore thumb, whether it's $2 or $50.
I should have took the 17 when I was up 17, but nope, I had to take it. Well, at least I made some money.
Yeah.
I made $30, $60, almost $70 so far. Just scalping these little retard coins. Yeah, where's Knight? I might just short the shit out of this thing. Oh, I ain't gonna do it now. Let me see. So Q coming back for a little retest. If it gets to this RSI here, I might jump in on it with a little bit more money. I'm gonna go balls deep on this.
Oh, okay. QU. What is it?
It's Q, but USDT is the money ticker, so it's called Q.
Oh, I saw your favorites across the top. I'm not familiar with BitFi, so MYX. And I was like, oh, what's going on there? I haven't seen that in forever.
All right,
I haven't looked at it.
What the fuck? It just took my shit, piece of shit. I hate when it does that. Dude, this is weird. It will not take my buy orders for this. All right, thank you, Jesus.
There you go.
It wouldn't let me take it. It kept canceling it. So this one, if I go to here, should be, yeah, see, $34. That's a lot better. I bet you if I went to this top here, it'd be about 20. Yeah, see, look at that, $60, and you go from here to here. That's a fast 20, and you know it can do that easily. And that's what I try to do all night long. Boom, boom. I'm gonna see if I can do it right now. Let me raise it up so I a little bit over 20 for my damn fees. They're 21.16. Let's see if it'll do it. Let me zoom in this bitch big so I can watch myself lose. Yeah, right now I think, like you said, no one's really into crypto because it sucks balls. People don't have the money to be like thrown into this and losing it all the time. So what I'm gonna do is maybe $50 a week. I'm gonna give away 25 to a person each, like for, in here.
That'll be fun. It'll draw some people in.
Yeah, because everybody likes free shit, dude. You know what I'm saying? So I figured if I could keep doing these, keep giving away money, they'll start to come in here just so they think they're going to win this money.
It'll pull them in for sure. You know, I mean, you're dealing with a global audience, so.
Yeah, I bought 4 hats off them to give it away, and I literally tried to give away a hat. I couldn't get anybody to want the fucking hat.
Oh, that's a bummer. Yeah, it's just
Or when they
people
do
are
want
taking
the
a
hat,
beating. You know, they're not really hype on it right now. They're like, oh, it's going to keep going down, but you know, you still see all these moon boys everywhere.
yeah.
I keep seeing Elio just keeps like going off about how incredible 2026 is. I'm like, bro, like it just, I don't know. I think that's a little premature to be calling a banger of a 26 yet. You know, there's possibilities, but man.
Yeah, he's just trying to hype up people, that's all.
Keep them positive, I guess.
Yeah,
I don't know. I stayed positive the last few years and just watched my shit go to hell.
You know what really sucks though? When you buy something 5 years ago for, like, let's say 30 cents, you bought a crypto for 30 cents and you spent, $2,000 on it, like, whatever. And then 8 years later, like, you're up a lot and you're like, man, this is going to be good. And then all of a sudden now in 2025, it's back down to where you bought it at. That's depressing as shit. You know what I'm saying? It's like, if I'd have known that, I could have sold at the high and then got back in 30 cents with 3 times my money. But I held on to it, and now it's almost back to where I bought it. And it's crazy, you know?
I got just about everything I had is below my entry points, and I had like really epic entry points. You know, I had them all building up into the March 24 pump.
Yeah.
And, you know, I did not unload, you know, looking back, and I'm like, well, you know, there's always the pre-happening pump, and then it pulls back. Now, granted, that was earlier this cycle, but it still occurred. And we just never, you know, bounced back after the pullback from that pump. Well, the alts, I should say. Bitcoin did just fine. Random alts.
But it just sucks, man. But I back when my YouTube was popping, and I had another ex with one of my girlfriends at the time, and we went from, we had like 2,200 followers on X, and then we had almost had 1,000 YouTube followers, and it was pretty much all I was doing was doing giveaways like every other day, like giving away shit. And dude, I had so many people in here. They were just in here for the giveaway, and they as soon as someone would win, it would like they'd be all gone, and they just kept doing it. So I figured I want to do it again. So when people come in here, giveaway, then I could start thinking of like crazy ways of making it funner so people can get in. This pile of shit's gonna get me. What the fuck? Sorry, it's tough. We gotta. Hopefully this thing rebounds. But yeah. So it was like, what the fuck, dude? So I'm gonna try it. So I got hats to give away, money, $50 a week. So it'll be $25 per person. Once I get over like 10 people watching my live, then I'll start randomly giving to people. and then and see if I can get them coming in, and then I'll send them over to Trade Flies like I've been doing, and then they can go in there and see what's up. But we'll see.
That's good. I missed a big chunk of what you said. My my internet signal where I'm at, like when I have like my two laptops and my phone all going at the same time and I'm bouncing around, it makes everything pause. So I missed what you were saying previous to the fact, like, you know, when you're giving the money away, it really doesn't.
Yeah, that's it. Because I guarantee you, once I start, you'll watch. I'll start giving away $25, $50 a week to random people in the live. And once I get over like 10 people like constantly watching, then I'll start doing that and watch them start coming in. I guarantee you by the end of the month, me doing that, once it starts catching, I'll have 100 people in here just because they're trying to win that money. And then I won't give it away right away. I'm going to wait, you know. I'll wait until like the end of the video, then I'll give away so it keeps them in and I get more watch time. But back in the days, I was killing it with that. But I was giving away like Fitbits because I own an auction site, which I buy truckloads of stuff. So I would get like
a little bit more interested again.
Yeah.
Even though just watching these things, you can just make money so much faster shorting it. I mean, just look how long it takes to build up.
Yeah, I was
shorts are just like slam down.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Short slam down.
That's what I was saying to a guy yesterday. I said, it takes forever for something to go up, but I tell you what, it takes literally seconds for it to go down. So I said, your best bet is look for shorts.
Yeah.
And you'll kill it if you can pick it right. Like this one, I'm getting wrecked on it. I could be 18 in positive in the shorts. No, I had to.
I see, went long right there. It almost makes sense because you look right before it and it came down, it bounced off your EMA already. I don't see it bounce twice too often. Sometimes it'll ride it, but bouncing twice.
It's just look how quick this thing's dropping, dude. I better get out because it's gonna liquidate.
Yeah.
I think it's trying to take it. That was close. I was a couple cents away from it. I only lost 30 bucks. 38. Let me see. Yeah, 38, 32. Son of a bitch. Well, on to the next.
SPX is paying back pretty good.
Let me see. What's Knight doing?
Back to where we started.
Oh, Jesus. Dude, I might short it, but as soon as I do, that sucker will start to rip.
Well, you know what? It's interesting. Yeah, I should say that's where I'm started. I'm just a percent over them. Inverse head and shoulder though, bro. Here it goes.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, they're trying to take the liquidity out by 89.
I think there's just like 50 of us around the world doing this right now. Everyone else is out having a good time.
I'm trying to I don't want to lose this, so I started with 100, but I'm down to some little over 100, so I'm still in the positive. I got 20 here. What the fuck? I might just close this little punk ass thing out. Oh, that thing did a hell of a run though. $2.72. Oh man, why is it every time you sell it pumps right after you sell? Fucking gay, dude. See, this one's consolidated. I might wait for a. I gotta get in a good one.
Now, I hear you with the sell. It looked good on this APR that I was in. I got up to like 3-4% over, and it looked kind of toppy, so I took like 2/3 off. And it started pulling back, and I started looking for a re-entry, and then we went to something else, and I came back to it, and now it's back up into profit, but I only have 1/3 of my position.
Yeah, that's crazy. Well, hold on, give me a second.
I don't know. This might keep going, maybe not.
Yeah, I might short this one. Fuck it. 50% short. Let's do this. Time to pump. Bet any money. There goes. It missed my damn limit order. I'm straight past it. I swear I hate this thing when it does that.
Oh, I didn't think it bit. I was like, oh, I don't know. Just can't get down past it. It'll just give you the market order.
That's what it did. So, let's see what it would be. Wait a minute, I just bought. Oh, this fucking thing's lagging. Hold on. Get back to normal. There, that's more like it. Take profit right here. Let's see where it's at. $25. Let's see if we can get it. Might be a quick play.
Yo.
I saw this little. Every time I see these little two suckers after red, it's a droppage. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the YouTube video. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. I gotta say that algorithm kicks in.
Is anybody on over there?
Nope, just me and you. Or J Violet pops in every now and then.
Slim it.
Go, go, go. Give my $25 back, make up for that loss. See what Poppycorn's doing. Well, still hanging. Yeah, one thing with that prop firm, when I was reading, I watch a lot of professionals that do prop firms. and they say they like people that do consistent trades and not like bangers all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like they want you to do like 100, 200 stuff like that instead of 700,000, 800. For some reason, they don't trust people like that. You know, it's like I would. Does it matter how you trade as long as you're making money? But apparently to them,
Yeah, if you're making money, I think they just want to see that you're showing some risk management and sticking with the small percentage.
I think that's what it is. And they said when you do the banger plays like that, and you try to do your draw every 5 to 8 days or whatever it is, they typically, when someone's doing those kind of crazy trades, they'll reject their trades or reject their money to pull out versus someone that's consistent with their trades. They'll allow them to have it because they know, like you said, they're using risk management. They're doing about the same kind of trades. I wish I could do like record this and then do like a short of me taking the profit and fast forward and hitting it. I'm not good at that kind of shit.
Yeah, this is all new to me. You know, I mean, I grew up in construction. I had a roofing company. Then I've been out in California growing weed for almost 20 years. That's gone. So, yeah, now I'm learning the computer stuff.
Dude, it's easy when you mess with it, but then it's like you got to mess with it for hours just to learn anything. And I don't have hours to sit here at a computer. Only at nights, but then it's like I want to trade, then want to learn that, and I can't do both. It's almost like if I could just bust my ass trading, make some money, I could pay someone to do it. Say, hey, look, go to my YouTubes and scalp all the trades that you see I win and lose, and turn them into shorts for me. You know, I would pay someone to do that if I can find somebody. But you get all these yahoos wanting freaking stupid money just to do it. It's like, get the fuck out of here. Oh man.
I know that that kicked up a little anxiety there.
Yeah, it hit the bottom of the RSI, so hopefully it doesn't try to go touch this other RSI. But that's a green doji, that's a small buy up. If it stays red, we're going to continue down. But if it's green, that means it's a little bit of buying pressure. But it's a small one, so it's not going to go up that high.
I think might just get sideways on me for a minute.
Well, my rule is this white line right here. As long as it stays below it, I don't sell. I hold it.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm just scalping tonight. If I wanted to, I can hold this probably for an hour. Hopefully, it never touches this white line. I have a feeling it's going to hit this tonight. Bitcoin's creeping up little by little and holding its levels, which is good. No, just my goal is to do this every day, but I've noticed for you to do it every day, you got to have.
Okay, hold on. I got a call come in. I'll get back with you.
All right, cool. See you in a minute. See if we can get this for $44. Just scalped it for what was it? Profits. What is this? Oh yeah. For $26.79. So see if we can get this $44 one. Looking like this thing might keep on coming down. See what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's holding 87,933. Let's shoot for this. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. We scalp every night, Monday through Friday, except for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Friday nights, sometimes on the weekends. And we scalp these fast moving tokens or low cap tokens. Make quick 20 to 40 bucks using $50 to $70. And we'll start doing giveaways later. I will be giving away $50 a week, and I'll split it up between two people, randomly pick them in the YouTube live. And then as I scalp and make money, I will give away some of the profits for that too into the live chat also. I'll have AI pick you guys out, but and then eventually you guys can learn how to do this and take the money that you make from that I give away to make and put it in the market, and then you could follow along and see if you can make the money. But I am no financial advisor. I'm just doing this for entertainment, so don't have to follow me. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm just saying if you want to follow along, it's your decision. I'm not responsible if you lose, because I always lose most of the time, but most of the time I win. So let's make some money together in 2026. I'm gonna do stuff differently. I'm gonna crack this whip, man. We're gonna get this shit going. So let's see if we could turn this $100 into whatever by the end of the year. Oh shit. I didn't see HRJ. You mother. 16881 16.
All right, who you talking to in here?
Huh?
Who you talking to in here? I heard you talking in the background.
Oh, I just talk because of the algorithm of YouTube and shit.
Oh, I got you. Yeah. No, that's good because I've come in and it was very silent and said something and I heard something.
Yeah, usually I have music in the background, but we figured hopefully a bunch of us gets in here. But I keep forgetting tonight's the whatchamacallit.
The ball drop. That's
Yeah.
how it started. Yeah, I mean that was a good friend of mine back in the Philly area that reached out, and I looked at this time. I was like, oh, not quite yet.
Hey, I shorted this twice. I got my $28. Now I'm going for 44.
Oh, cool, buddy.
Yeah. So hopefully I can get this one too. But if I hit this, then I'll be done for tonight because I got people coming over in the next 30 minutes.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Hopefully I can snap this. Go, drop, bitch. I didn't even see HRJ in the live said Happy New Year, Squid. I'm like, man, I missed it. Didn't even see him.
Oh, on YouTube.
Yeah, sorry, YouTube. Yeah.
Okay.
This will kill. It says I'm negative $3, but the price is underneath my thing. That always kills me how that does it.
I figured it out. That's the mark price. You know, when you go in and you see a number and you hit buy on the market order,
Yeah.
and it's never exactly what it was showing. It'll move the candle, and wherever the candle tops or bottoms out is where it puts the value of your order. And that's why the mark mark price is always just slightly different. Yeah, because that's what I was bitching about a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, it's fucking stupid how it does that.
Mm-hmm. It's their edge, you know.
Yep. I just gotta pay attention to this liquidation. I'm trying to put my. We'll say it's right about here. Hopefully this thing takes a poop. My dog is on the bed looking out the window thinking someone's here. It's got to hit that level, but I don't think it's going to hit that level. That's pretty. Bunch of dojis, this fucker will fall.
Yeah, but yeah, usually when they go sideways, they dump more often than not.
Yeah, I can't complain. It did pretty good tonight.
That's great.
Had one loss of $30 and taking one for 12, but then I made 28, 29, 30, so I'm still over what I have, so we're good. If I can crush this 44, I'll be up to $200.
Win.
Go. So I don't like when they pinch like this because hopefully this bulge man squeezes and pushes it down. Let me see what the 3 minutes is. It's wide, so no, still looking good. 5 minutes. Yeah, it's still looking good. So we're hanging on there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You doing any good on yours?
The night, it's up a couple percent now. That might be making a move that I've been paying attention to this APR. Because like I said, I left at third, so that's down pretty good, but it's such a small amount, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, this thing.
So kind of keeping an eye on it, see if it wants to change character here. Off, you know, I might end up just taking a hit on this little amount that's because if it wants to come down, it's got a ways to come down to this trend line that I've been playing with it.
I gotta watch this one. It's about to get me. Fucking bitch.
Oh, that just popped, huh?
Yeah. Starting to squeeze. I don't like that. Anytime it squeezes, it gets a little run.
Yeah, but if it's drifting up and the squeeze catches the top there, then it might just continue down.
Yeah. This is not a good doji, so hopefully.
Right.
But they've been faking me out like crazy tonight.
It's understandable.
Watch it do a quick fucking hardcore pump and take me out, then start dumping.
Yeah.
Thanks for your $70. I've noticed that with some of these, dude, you could put it and it'll wick up, hit it, and then go straight down, and then I'll buy for short.
There you go.
Yeah, that's a little one. It's starting to go back up.
Oh.
That's a strong doji for sell. So we should be getting some couple more reds. Unless it pulls another doji. I would listen to TradeFly on some of the X apps. Like he gets on there and talks to people. And he gets like so into talking and he just talks and then they literally have to cut him off. They're like, thanks, TradeFly. You get a good TA here. It's like
he gets into a zone, man.
oh dude, he keeps going and he'll ask him
Yeah,
one question like, how's the weather? He's like, the weather's looking good for Bitcoin. We're gonna be at this, and then freaking 10 minutes later he's still talking. They're like, okay, great job, dude. He was doing that today, and they cut him off real quick. They got him off he talked about 5 minutes, and then they cut him off. Like, we appreciate your TA, but we only asked you like a little question, and he just went on. Yeah, he's got a lot to get out, and so next time I talk to him, say when they talk to you, and there's like, what I'm noticing those when they talk to you, they just want you to give a quick little answer, and then you're done. They don't like the long drawn out ones. You know what I'm saying? So I've noticed that with the ones he gets into.
For sure. They get themselves into a time schedule.
Yep. Go. I just want to see a hardcore dump. Like this little wick right here, that was like $38 right there. I saw it go 38 back to $2. I'm like, damn, that was quick. I want to end the YouTube stream. Then we'll still talk on Discord. So I figured all my lives, I'm going to jump in live Discord so you guys can talk. You, Jay.